Hi guys, listen, every time I do a video on CoilyCue's human hair crochet braids, this is the most requested question every time. I get so many questions about the takedown. How do you take down these lovely crochet braids? If you didn't see the install video, I would suggest that you start with that video so that you understand how we got here. Right here, I'm just adding more density. When I did the install, I wanted to show you what the basic density was with their recommendation, but you know I like my hair big, thick, and ignorant, okay? So I'm adding more density to it. So I'm showing you this here. This is like a few days after the install right here. And then if you want to skip kind of towards the middle end, I'm going to show you a week worth of wear and how I maintain every single day. It's very easy. Y'all just got to remember this is human hair. So it's really easy to work with. You don't have to worry about a lot of the things that you have to worry about when you're using synthetic hair. Okay. So this is after I added that ignorant density, y'all. And you guys know for me to keep a style a week, I really like it because I have to change my hair so often to give you guys new styles. But bam, I kept it, y'all. And I have no complaints about this hair. I'm telling you, just watch the videos that I've done with CoilyCue, okay? So after I added more pieces, this was probably about 5.5 bundles right here. And y'all, this is it. This is it, baby. Y'all, this hair, oh my gosh, the hair is absolutely beautiful. But because I added new pieces in, I'm gonna go ahead and mist it, because if you remember on the install video, I did a raking method sort of thing. So I want the hair to match basically. And because I wet that hair down, I want to get the new pieces that I added in. I want to go ahead and get that raked through as well. I'm not going to use any product. I'm just going to mist it and just rake through with my fingers. So that way the textures kind of match, well, the look of it, because it's the same hair and I want the look to be the same. So when the new hair that I just added in, when it's all dried, it's going to give the same look as the previous hair that I put in for the initial install. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Otherwise, I may not even miss it, y'all. You'll see at the end when I show you how to maintain it. I think this is probably the last time that I misted the hair. I just fluff and go, y'all. I ain't gotta sit there a lot of I just fluff and go, baby. But once I got to my desired density, the gloves were off. As you can see, I'm loving it. To me, about 5.5 bundles is a sweet spot. That's me, okay? Now, this is after a week. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't wear my bonnet every night. Don't be like me. Wear your bonnet every night, okay? But you can see it still is smacking, so don't get it twisted. I'm just telling you what you should do, okay? So every day when you get up, you take your bonnet off and you just fluff, honey, and then you can style. Because of the type of braid pattern that I use, an installation method, you can part the hair wherever you want to part it. You can do what you want to do. So you still have styling options. You guys, it's ridiculously easy. You fluff and go. Part it where you want to part it. If you want to part, hey, that's it. That's literally how I maintained every single day. There's nothing to that. There's like, literally, that's how simple that is. So once you get to your desired look, you're out the door. Now for the meat and potato of this here video, the takedown. Y'all, I'm going to start with the standard piece without that micro link. If you're keeping the hair, you got to remember how we installed it. There's a loop. You just find that loop, loosen it, slide the end through, slide the hair right out. I know that sounds confusing, but when it's in your head, you'll understand what I'm saying. If you're not keeping the hair, once you find that loop, just cut the loop, honey. Just cut it. Bam. That's it. That's all. It's out of here. But you might want to keep it because it's a little penny. So if you want to keep it, then there's that. because of the way that we installed it. It's very easy. When you install crochet braids using, you know, any sort of basic, even a basic illusion sort of installation, it's really easy to take out, y'all. But I haven't even gotten to the easiest way. The easiest way, okay? There's a really simple way to take it out. Now, the micro link piece, that's the piece with the little micro link that's on it. You just pull up the little link piece, you know what I'm saying? Because that is adjustable. And then you do the same exact thing. Pull the end through that loop. You see that loop? Bam. And then you slide it out. That's it, y'all. That's it. And then you can pull the little link back up, and that's all you do. That's literally all you do. And guess what? That still isn't the easiest method. What's the easiest method, you may ask? Y'all, every time I do crochet braids, every single time, unless I am getting ready to do another install and I need that braid pattern, okay? So let me rephrase that. It's the easiest if you don't need the braid pattern, okay? But if by chance you are taking down all the braids, just take down your braids, y'all. Just unravel your braids, and the pieces that we install, they're installed through our braids or under our braids, depending on your installation method. So as you take down those plaits and those braids and cornrows and all that stuff, the pieces just slide right out as you go. So y'all, that's what I do probably 99% of the time, because I'm taking down my braids anyways. So it's like doing 2 in 1. Instead of taking out all the pieces and then going through and unraveling your braids, your foundation, you could do all that all together through any weather. You see? As you do that, as you follow your braid pattern and just begin to unravel that thing, you will find that the pieces, turn to your neighbor and say pieces, will follow. That's it. Especially with those standard pieces. Oh my gosh, y'all. I flew through that part. Like, that's really the easiest method for crochet braid takedown, period. Okay? Because I do get this question a whole lot. This is generally how I take down my crochet braids, because like I said, it's a 2 in 1. You don't have to do one and then now you've taken out all of your pieces, but now you got to take down your braids. You just do it all together as you go. Okay, and if you hit a snag along the way, I don't think I got too many snags, but we did fluff. And let me tell you something. Ooh, when I tell you I tease those roots, because here's the thing. The more you tease, the easier it is to part your hair wherever you want to part it. And when you're using kinky curly hair, oh my goodness, it's so easy, y'all. It's so easy for that illusion to happen when you're using curly hair. It's like a cheat code, y'all. So whenever you're doing crochet braids, the curlier the hair is, honey, when you tease, that thing gonna look so seamless. It's going to look seamless, y'all. Okay? And I didn't lose any hair. I didn't pull any hair out. Now, let me say this, y'all, please. If you're not reusing the hair and you go through and cut that loop, like I said, the only way I'm comfortable cutting is when I know all my hair is braided down. There's no leave out. There's no individuals. There's no nothing, y'all. All my hair is down, flat. Okay, so I know if I pull out a loop and snip it, I know that's not my hair because my hair is all braided down. If you know you did some like individuals in the front, I'm talking about with any crochet set, you know you haven't, just don't do all the cutting, y'all, because people out here cutting their hair and I don't understand. So don't do that, okay? But my hair was all braided down, so it was easy, y'all. That's it. No hair loss, hair still looking good. You feel me? Undercut, smacking. That's it. That's all. It's really that easy. I told you guys. I hope this was helpful. Get your hands on these crochet braids because they are absolutely worth it. Absolutely. Hands down, y'all. All right. Peace, love, light.